happens not only because of the construction aspect, it also makes because of the poor investigation aspect or not taking into a condition of the this thing. So it is one of the state border when we visited. Even we visited Netravati and Guru Parampara. Netravati and Guru Parampara, the two rivers get confluence at Arabian Sea. So it was one of the cases has been referred to the National Grid Tribunal, and I had a chance to go and investigate as be a part of the committee. We traveled to Mangalore and we have studied. It is basically the pollutant which they are putting it into it. It has not been taken into consideration. That is the reason which affects. That's the way that goes. It goes. The case goes. So some more other way, like how the COVID will come, because nowadays we are seeing a lot of why it will not come to Tamil Nadu because we take a lot of spices. It will not come to Tamil Nadu. We have a lot of heat, temperature is there, and lot of, because now we were calling in terms of a pandemic and epidemic. Now infodemic is there because of the too much of information. Our mind is getting disturbed. Our mind is getting polluted, and without unknowingly or unknowingly, because they think they have a right to speak. They are speaking anything, but right to speak is there. It is not right to speak whatever with nonsense. You cannot speak, no, because sometimes there was today I have seen an article. The pandemic, the lockdown is extended up to 31st. But inside, when you go, they are putting about the country name. But outside, to make a caption catchy, they are there because the news agencies, frankly speaking, they are highly unethical. To the core, unethical, third-rated way they are working on it. And moreover, we can see everywhere the things are there. So we cannot see certain things directly, but it affects over a period of time. Because you remember, one of the Ministry of External Affairs Minister, Joint Secretary has told, since there was a midday meal concept, I have been gone to the school, I have studied, I became a Joint Secretary. So certain schemes which may not be appreciated in the near immediately, but over a period you can appreciate. For example, subjects like environmental science. When the Supreme Court has introduced there were several people who are questioning how by introducing one subject, how you will infuse the concept of environment to the people. Not like that. Over a period of time. These are all transformational studies. It needs a research which has to be done. For example, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You cannot see now. Over a period of time, the next generation you can see. Now I am seeing, witnessing. Several kids are very clever these days. They are very conscious, not dumping, not putting the waste everywhere. They are very serious. So it is there. It is a transformational study which you have to see. And as usual in this lecture, content expressed are purely by technical perspective. It does not represent the organization to which I am affiliated. So the concept of geoenvironmental testing, placing it within the framework of sustainable geotechniques, as I told you, ability to sustain, ability to be there for a longer period of time. That is the sustainable or sustainability. So the outline the theory with emphasis why it has been used and describe the purpose, principle, process of geoenvironmental investigation. And to review some contemporary issues of geoenvironmental investigation and sustainable geotechnics. I have told you last class, engineers have a significant role not only in planning but also designing, not only in designing but also to build and also to maintain a sustainable future. So that is the powerfulness of our source. In this situation, we have to remember how it could be done, how it could be monitored, and how it could be made it. That is that. So how the situation. So I have seen, this is a photograph which I have shown you last time. I have told you it is a normal soil, but this is not a normal soil. It is a contaminated soil which we have taken it from one of the sites in North Madras for our laboratory study. Because the soil has been contaminated. It is not oil contaminated soil, it is contaminated because of the accidental spill of the industry, because of we mined out the soil, and which in turn created an issue and which in turn affected the building infrastructure. So is there any special testing